So now the next thing is we have to implement the sign out feature. When the user click on the logout button, we will send the user to the login screen. So for that purpose, just copy this firebase auth.instance sign out alongside with this navigator.push, and as you know that this is our drawer body. Okay, so our drawer body, you already know it is in here, that is drawer, then we have the header and then the body. So our button second list type. Now one thing you have to notice here is that if you want to specifically apply click event on the icon, then this is our icon. Okay, in this on pressed you can add the code, or for example if you want to apply specifically the click event on the logout text, then you can add you can wrap this inside a gesture deductor widget. Okay, and then apply the on tap event. But what we want is we want the whole thing, like either the user click on icon or the user click on the text. If the user click on it, we want to execute the sign out code. Okay, so this whole list style, which is for the logout, just click here before this list style, you will see yellow bulb. Click on that and wrap with widget, and then change this widget to gesture deductor. Okay, and this is basically in here we have the on tap click event. That is when the user tap on this complete list style which complete this icon as well as this logout button. If the user click on that, then we can simply sign out the user and send the user to login screen. Let's test our app. So now if we click on logout, and here we go, we are sign out from the app. Now let's log in. One more thing that we will add is we will fix, basically it is the design of the Google map. That is, you can see this button which is for the current location. It comes with the Google map by default. We need it here in proper alignment with our drawer icon button. So how we can move it down? Well, it is simple. Our Google map, here you can see, to this we can apply padding. And from the top we can give 30. So now if you see here, then you can see it move downward. Let's move it a little bit above, that is 26 will be enough. Okay, so now it is in proper alignment with our drawer icon button.